Hi, I'm Marcela and welcome to my van life cooking show, where I commit to prove to you that healthy, plant-based cooking can not only be easy, yummy and creative, but done from the back of the van. Today, I'm gonna show you how I make my vegan mayonnaise.
To make this recipe you will need vegetable oil, unsweetened soy milk, apple cider vinegar, black Himalayan salt, mustard, and lemon. The utensils you will need are measuring cup, a hand blender. To begin with, I'm combining 250 ml of unsweetened soy milk, 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar, 1 flat teaspoon of kala namak,
And that's gonna be responsible for this eggy flavor.
and 1 teaspoon of mustard.
And now I'm gonna blend it for a minute up to 2 minutes, and then I'll start adding the oil slowly. Just gonna add a dash of lemon.
To achieve perfect thickness, the mayo should rest in the fridge for at least an hour, but if you need it to be ready instantly, just add 2 or 3 spoons of extra oil.
3 small ones.
As you can see, the consistency is already thick and creamy, and it will only get thicker after being left in the fridge. Traditional mayonnaise has about 90 calories per serving, while this one only 60. By switching to the vegan option, you're not only saving yourself 30 calories per serving, but this option is cruelty and cholesterol free.